YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. In this one I'm going to be picking this Euro cylinder which was snapped. It was part of a parcel I received from Roblox, so if you haven't already been to Roblox's channel and subscribe, please do so. Here's the name, round about here somewhere. I have picked this lock. It did give us a bit of jip. I haven't gutted it yet. So hopefully I'm going to pick it and gut it on camera all within 10 minutes. Fingers crossed. Today has not been a good day. But I'm going to put this one in the vise. And see if we can get it picked open. As you can see, it has already been picked. Give you a bit of a better view. Get a lock back up. Let's see if we can get this one on camera. Right, so I'll start at the back of the lock. If I can get me pick to the back, that is. I'll have to use a different tension bar. Top of the keyway tension. Let's have a go. I don't know if this was sent to Rob as a challenge lock or what really. I don't think he really knew, to be honest. That's not going to work, so I keep on touching the camera. But it is a tricky pick. It's called paracentric keyway. Doesn't give very much away. Really just having a good feel around, setting what I can. Let's move this camera out a bit. So I keep on hitting it. It was 5. 4 feels like a serrated pin. Nothing from the rest. 6. Can't really talk too loud, actually, the kids are in bed. Nothing really much to say, to be honest, apart from I'm not getting jack shit out of this lock. Slight little bit of plug rotation there though. Just trying to get this pick in. I did make this pick out of 1/2 mil stock, so should be able to navigate around okay. Probably come out bent a little bit, but it's a price you pay. That was 3. That's on 2. See what 1's saying. Can't even get me pick in. That was 2. 1. do find Yales to be good locks, the most part of them anyway. This one is doing okay. Maybe swap for something a little bit higher. See if we can get one in the bottom of the keyway. So I'm not really using the top very much. See if that makes any difference in the way that it picks. There you go. Bit of a false set. Game changer. Spill pin on 3, I think that was. Spin this round. Deeper false set. Want to spill now at the back. Pick as an half, took a beating. Reset. Look at that. Took its toll onto the lockers. Trying to make room for the pick. That's it. Yeah, I've got the open. Have I got enough time to gut it? I'll give it a go. I've got a minute. If not, I'll have to edit it. Open to get it open. Might be a bit messy this one, but key pins. Keep driver 1, standard, spill, spill, standard, spill. Fighting for 6 pins. I got tricked. It's only got 5, so 3 spool pins. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I've got